And those of you that like trying new things, you see that cross line bust caging is not for everybody. So when it comes to bust caging, the most important thing is your pattern. If your cup came out flat on your pattern, there's already a mistake. You cannot correct that. Your cup is going to end up becoming flat. But here are a few tips that you can use. For example, if you are doing bust caging, you need to reinforce the bust area with some kind of interfacing. And you can use this bra foam. This is the non-fusible interfacing. It does not have any form of gum. If you want to gum it, you're going to have to use hemming gum. You can use the peplum or the collar stay. But when you're using peplum or collar stay, make sure you're not using the thickest. And again, the boning size you are using to cage your bust is very important. The 0.5 inch size of boning is not flexible at all. You should not be using it for bust caging because you are trying to create curves. So when you are using a size of boning, use the tiniest size of boning, which is 0.25, or you can use the one that's falling down, which is 0.375. Do you understand? That is more flexible and make it easy for you to walk around the curves in your bust area. And when you're also doing bust caging, make sure you are doing the 3-piece cup. I've realized through time of practice that the 3-piece cup always comes out better when it's caged than the 2-piece cup. Do you understand? And your cupping just has to be right. Your pattern has to be right. And again, one of the most prominent things is this first line that you draw. That line goes to determine how your cup is going to look like. You are using this first line I've already draw around my cup. Yes, make sure you are drawing that line first to see how the cup looks like. And then you can follow up the other lines and create much more boning lines. And when you are creating this particular line, you can make it a little bit curved for you to have extra curve to your cup. Do you understand? And those of you that like trying new things, you see that cross line bust caging is not for everybody. If you are not already perfect in it, don't try it for a dress that you want to make for your client. Make sure you do the regular one that you know, because that one, if you're not professional, it might end up distorting your cup. Do you understand? And again, if you need to have more knowledge, I already have a bust caging class that is packed. So hit me on my DM and register.